Hello friends, in part 3 of chapter 7 Settlements and Migrations, we have discussed about the urbanization issue of people and settlement. Now, the major issue here we have to address is the population of SC and ST is more in the lower levels and even in the cities. When compared to the rural areas, they are above their levels, but when compared to the cities, they are living in slum areas where they don't have the proper basic amenities and where they don't have any proper job facilities. When a case study was made on this, the result was like this: the percentage of people living in slum areas, more people came under the category of ST and SC people. This has to be addressed very soon by the government to take the necessary steps. Now coming to the hierarchy of the cities of our country, we have many hierarchies growing from the hamlets. Here the hamlet means a group of people living together. Here it is a part of village, not a village. Like better settlement than the hamlets. Then from villages to towns, where it is a little bit organized and systematic. Then it comes to the cities, where the population is around 1 lakh and more. Then it comes to the million plus cities like Hyderabad, Chennai and many more. Here the population in million plus cities is about 10 lakhs. Here the people of hamlets move on to the villages to their better opportunities from opportunities. From villages they move on to towns. From towns they move to the cities. As in cities, if they feel that they will get better opportunities in the other cities, then they will go on to the million plus cities. Still, if they have the better opportunities, then they move on to the mega cities or the metropolitan cities, that is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. This is the factors of hierarchy of cities or settlement what we have in our country. Now recently we have got a new trend of settlement, that is airport cities or aerotropolic cities. Aerotropolic cities are nothing but the cities which is located in and around the airport region. Now I have a question: why the area of airport region is getting more popularity recently? Let's see. Because we have constructed airports in many areas recently, and the people those are traveling in aeroplanes and all wish to do the things which are nearby to them and move out of the places as soon as it's possible, rather than getting stuck in the local transport or local traffic problems and all those things. Here we can see that those people doesn't like delay in work. They want to get work fasted, so they move to airport cities. There they constructed hotels, and then we have the food supply for them, the people for traveling, business people conduct conferences and all those things, which made them to move on from one place to another place. As soon as they finish their work, they won't be there for a long time. They move on to another place for their further work. Here the time is very valuable for them, especially for the business people. We have the examples of airport cities like Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad and Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. Like that we have many airports being accommodating the airport cities in our India. We have discussed about the various settlements up to now. Let us discuss about the problems which are arising by urbanization. What are the problems coming due to urbanization? Let's see. Generally, we have the problems like lack of jobs and lack of job security for us. But coming to the major issues, water. Can we get supply of water to all the people in the cities, especially for those people who are living in slums? The people who live in slums don't get any proper basic amenities, infrastructure, healthcare, and anything for them. They have to pay more to get all those things. Then moving to savage. How is the dust or waste things to be transported from one place to another? How is the transportation for them from one place to another place? How can they reach from one place to another place? Because if we see the bus routes, it travel only in city regions, but we don't find them traveling in slum areas. So here we can't clean those dust and waste particles there. Then coming to air pollution. In the urban areas, we have a lot of air pollution for us. As more number of vehicles are used on the roads of the urban areas, that leads to the contamination of air. Because of this, various health issues are arising. Yes, people are getting better opportunities in cities rather than villages. But the people who are migrating from villages to cities have to address these major health issues also. At the end, all are Indians and all should be taken care for them properly. Thank you friends. Let's continue in the next session.